All right, so this beautiful 1970 Chevy half-ton pickup is what we're going to be working on. And a few of the things that we're going to do throughout this build is definitely rebuild the drivetrain for one, lower it, put some modern suspension, including brakes and a rack and pinion steering in it. And we definitely got to make the thing look good because it's looking pretty shabby right now. As a matter of fact, I'm kind of scared to find out what's underneath the hood, but might as well take a look at it anyways. All right, so there's easily a good 40, 45 years worth of dirt and grime on this thing, and I think our best bet is to use some of 3M's Foaming Engine Degreaser. We'll power wash it all off, get as much dirt, grime, grease, nastiness off this thing as we possibly can, and then we'll know what we're doing. Now before I start to power wash the engine, I'll need to cover the distributor with a plastic bag and stuff a rag down the carburetor to keep them both dry. Then just shake up the can really good and spray a nice even coat over everything. Let that sit in for about 3 to 5 minutes, then I'm going to blast away with a pressure washer. 3M's degreaser has done a great job washing away the dirt, grease, and grime from this engine, which is going to make things a lot easier for me when I'm pulling it out because I'll actually be able to see what I'm taking it apart.